What's going on, Ground Tribe? Listen, I'm just going to jump straight into this. Look, it's time to stop using AI like it's a toy. And, yeah, it's cute that you go on to whatever platform, Chat, GTP, or whatever, and you want to look like a multimillionaire on a yacht or whatever. Yeah, that's cute. But I think back to the days of when I used to use Optimize Press 1 and WordPress came along and then social media came along, YouTube and all of that. And what I notice is that people are going to fall into two camps. They're going to be those who use technology for entertainment and laughs. They're going to dance and do all that other stuff. Maybe they can build a business around it. I don't know what the business model is there, but okay, maybe there is one. But there's going to be those people, and then there are going to be those who take it seriously and build a viable business using the tools that are now shaking up industries like by the thousands. And I'm hoping that's you. That's the Grand Tribe. Because, there are only a couple times in our lifetime that we're going to see these monumental shifts that can create wealth for people like me and you. Now, it's not going to just be push button easy wealth creation. You're going to have to get in the weeds. You're going to have to learn the technology. You're going to have to follow people that are experimenting and succeeding with their experiments. I recently was listening to a podcast with a gentleman who had built a business that did $4.6 million. Maybe I'll leave the link somewhere down in the show notes down here. With just a few different tools. I think he used Claude and Replit and maybe OpenClaw as well. But if you've never heard of these tools, that's what I'm talking about. It's because people like this gentleman aren't just making cute little pictures of whatever, counting, with them with diamond necklaces and all of that on. They're building real businesses that add value to business owners in different niches. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm actually following this guy's blueprint, and I've learned how to do some what we call vibe coding now. And I have built a audit tool and a tool that goes behind that to serve a specific niche. I'm not going to say exactly what that is. I was able to secure a pretty high-level domain, .ai domain, because this is in the AI space. And so I've started to build out this project. I had my audit tool built and up and working within a weekend, but I stayed busy and I learned and I got deep with it and I closed myself off and I cut the distractions off. Now I still have a real estate investment business, but it's no different than going to work all day and then coming home working on your project in the evening. And that's the approach that I took. But my message to you guys is, amen, we are on the eve of AI and you're going to be in one or two camps. You're going to be playing with it like it's a toy and it's cute and people are going to get some good laughs and, oh, look, I think I look so good in this hairstyle. Yeah, you do. But I think you would look a lot better if you took that AI tool and you upgraded you and your family's lifestyle and you really became that person that you're making yourself look like via AI. How's that sound? That's no disrespect. I'm just saying it is what it is because I believe in you. I just need for you to believe in you. And you're more than just someone who goes online, if you're in this tribe, and plays around with toys to make yourself feel good. There's a real version of you that exists that looks exactly like whatever you're pretending to be. I hope I'm not sounding too harsh, but if I am, hey, look, it's better to be awakened by the ugly truth than put to sleep by a pretty lie. It's time to stop playing, guys. I mean, they're saying that AI is going to eliminate thousands of jobs. And once again, it's the age-old argument of, are you going to be a consumer or a producer? Are you going to be a consumer of this information that's about to hit and take over and create a whole new lane for people that understand how to use AI, or are you going to just be are you going to be a producer? Are you going to be the one producing the product that changes the lives and you're on the other side of that equation? It's a choice at this point, but at some point we're going to get so far out out there on the limb that you won't have a choice left, because everybody will be in the seats that are either the producer or the consumer. So that's my message today, guys, is that, this is what I'm doing. I'm not saying for you to follow me. I'm just saying that I've made a choice, and my choice is to learn the tools and to leverage those tools so that I am not on the receiving end of whatever AI has to push out, and I'm just consuming it, and whatever bad or good it has to give, then I just have to accept it. No, I choose to be one of the producers of something valuable that people are willing to pay for. Well, that's my spill, grind tribe. Listen, guys, I want you guys to stay up and get busy. Later.